The Clean Blast Pro handset can support the entire portfolio of FCLT series cleaning tips. By default, the device will ship with the FCLT-U25, which is purpose-built for cleaning any bulkhead with a 2.5mm ferrule, such as an SC connector. Likewise, if you're cleaning a multi-fiber connector, such as an MPO, you could attach the FCLT-MTP cleaning tip. It's important that whenever you're cleaning a fiber that you choose the right tip for the job. For example, when you're cleaning an SC bulkhead, you could certainly use the FCLT-U25, but alternatively, you could attach the FCLT-SC. What this does is it makes the productivity of the cleaning process much faster because this one is easier to use and it's optimized for an SC bulkhead. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that tip to the end of the handset. And now the first thing that I'll want to do is prime the handset to get it ready for use. What this does is it ensures that there's no air in the fluid line and it removes any potential contaminants that may be present. To do so, I would prime it by pressing both buttons and holding them at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and do that into this beaker. And now the system is primed and fully ready for operation. And that's an overview of the various cleaning tips and installing the tips for the Clean Blast Pro handset.